I know most of you are interested. Somebody will suggest you get up early morning, 4:30 a.m. It's a Brahmi Murta. Good knowledge will get. You get good sleep. You look at the Japanese, Americans, Germans, most of the Europeans, no, Russians. These are the something Koreans. These are the number one in the science and technology. No, nobody will get up 4:30 a.m. I'm sure. They'll have good sleep. That one. So this is a stupid thing. First you avoid. Then, if you do yoga, if you do exercise, if you eat good food, nutritious food, then concentration will increase. No, you must be interested. You should observation. That's all I know. So don't get up early morning and study. It's a wrong habit. You must have a good sleep first. Then you can concentrate. Then you can think on it. So your active time is what? Like morning. Okay, by 7, I think you can start working. According to you. By what happened? Till 8 o'clock or 9. So late night, 12:30 p.m. Also what happened? 1 o'clock I'll read, sir. You feel great. You feel great that you are working more. But after 9, what happened? Your human brain stops working. It cannot concentrate. It need a rest. So you should make a practice of these things. Not getting up very early morning like that. I don't suggest. Myself, I'll get up by 5 o'clock. But I don't take physics book and read. Not a time to read, no. Morning time. Early morning, you should not read. So maybe your parents or everyone will be against it. But I look at Japanese or Russians, no. None of the scientists got up early in the morning. So morning you're supposed to do some physical exercise or other thing, but not something related to gaining knowledge. Okay, you want to do prayer, that is your problem. But getting up early morning doing physics problem is not advisable. Don't think that early morning you do, you'll get the answer. That is the wrong idea. I'm not against any culture or spiritual thing. So I'm just telling the practical things. What the most of the scientists did, that is what we have to follow here. Here the two strings are there. Instead of connecting one string, can I connect two strings? Yes. This will be the weight mg. See, I do read, I do recite daily Vishnu Sahasranamam, Bhagavad Gita, all that one. But you should try to, don't say that if you do that, you'll get this one. That's something a spiritual science. What we are discussing is material science. Since I read Bhagavad Gita, I got this physics. No, I made observation. I'm interested that I got this one. Okay, this is about, so we will balance the weight T1 cos theta 1 plus T2 cos theta 2 minus mg cos 0. This is along y-axis. Okay, this one. So, and what is the equation? You can write it L1 sine theta 1 should be equal to L2 sine theta, no? Because the radius r will be common for both. So then, all power required centripetal force T1 sine theta 1 r this you can write any one equation, solve for omega. But this is about the tensions you see. So here, so what we can write T1 cos theta 1 plus T2 cos. There's the one system I'm showing like this here. And if I give some relationship between tensions in the string, then we can solve it. How they're related to the mg. Because there's only equation there. What about the relation between tensions in it? Suppose if T1 is equal to say some K T2 or something. So then we can solve for omega. So here what happened? T1 I'll write KT2. I'll get expression for T2. Substituting here, we'll get expression for omega. Got this? There's a relation between the tensions. Let's assume given. So substituting this first. Okay, till here what happened? We can put it here. T1 equal to KT2. So I'll write down like this. KT2 sine T1 T2 What is R? R should be equal to anything you write it, L1 sine theta 1 or anything. Okay, we got now. What is T2? We don't know. I'll take help of this equation. So T1 equal to KT2. I'll write it here along y-axis. Here only let me solve. T1 equal to how much? KT2 cos theta 1, T2 cos theta 2 minus mg equals 0. So T2 is equal to mg by k. Got the idea? So this value of T2 we are going to substitute here. K sine theta 1 sine theta 2 mg by k cos theta 1 . So what is the expression for omega will be? M will get cancelled. This will be k sine theta 1 sine theta 2 . K will be some relationship where they are supposed to provide. This is about the angular frequency. Like this, different types of now the tensions must be different because there are two different strings. No, T1, T2 are tensions, not time period. Tension in the strings. So this is a rod. You can do like this also. This will be. Okay. Now next, there are two different strings. No. So what I do next? Another condition. The same.
Sir, shouldn't there be multiplied with G, sir?
Yes, sir.
G we have missed. G inside G will come. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.